Hello everybody and welcome to today's video, and today I will be talking about how to install the Arduino IDE on Mac. So go open your Safari and type in arduino.cc and then there's like home, store, software, education, resources, community, and help. Go software, downloads, and it's a pretty simple download. And then go down and it's going to be written Windows installer, Windows zip file, Windows app, Mac OS X, Linux 64 bits, Linux ARM 32 bits, Linux ARM 64 bits. So just click on Mac OS X 10.8 Mountain Lion or newer, and then it comes here, and then just click just download, and then it's gonna go to it's gonna tell you, oh, you want to go next, and then you just click next until it installs. So when it installs, it should install in your applications folder. So let me just move it over here. Install in your applications folder. So okay, maybe not. Let me check. I think it should be in the here. Okay, actually, okay, here it is. So here it actually should do a file here, like mine did, and then everything should be, every file, every code you made should be in a folder. So as you can see, like this. So now check for Arduino. Check if I go like command Arduino, it's here. Open it, and we can open it. So this is the old code of something. So yeah, so that's how you do it. And also, I'm gonna make another video today, which will be talking about how to change the theme of the Arduino. So normally you can't change the theme. So oops, where's my face cam? So normally this theme is like this white and blue theme and something like that, but you can't change it because it's not built into Arduino. But somebody made a folder, and he programmed the buttons and everything, the theme, the color, and he made a dark theme. And so in the next video, which is today, in a few hours maybe, next video, I will be explaining how you can change it to dark theme. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications to stay updated on this channel. I got a project coming. I'm going to show you a quick overview right now. So it's this project like this, it's part of the Arduino tutorials video, but it's a project. So I'm going to explain every single detail of it, or how the hardware, the software, but some things you'll be like, oh, what is this? But I'll explain it because we didn't review everything about Arduino yet. So yeah, so stay tuned for next video, which is like in an hour or something like that, and I'll see you guys later.